Hi everyone, my name is Raymond Ugiman from 11 Newton. Course description: the food and beverage services. Qualification consists of competencies that a person must achieve to prepare the dining room, restaurant for service. Welcome guests and take food and beverage orders. Promote food and beverage products. Provide food and beverage services to guests. Provide room service and receive and handle guest concern. Food and beverage service are customer service professionals that work for restaurants, cocktails, bars, and other establishments. In addition to serving food and drinks, food and beverage servers perform tasks such as setting up tables, removing used dishes, and preparing simple dishes. They serve as the main point of contact for customers. A food and beverage service may work for a single establishment, or they may work for third-party catering companies, and good portion of their income in the United States usually comes from tips. The career is expected to grow at 3% over the next 10 years, which is less than average. Basic function of FBS: serve food and drink to people, aims to achieve customer satisfaction, attends to economic need by providing good value to price paid, focuses on social need by creating a friendly atmosphere, and answer the need for convenience. Functional questions of FPS blocks after completion of construction can shift the load of total corrosion and deterioration. The foundation of the FPS blocks it can support at unexpected times. It does not use firm work installation time for concrete to obtain the required strength, and is generally more economical than monolithic in its version of the unit. It should be noted that basement wall blocks cannot be used for each type of site. For example, for sandy oils, sandy soils, they fit well, but in the case of loose and soft soils, you need to use a different type of foundation. If not, it is possible to query it further. Thank you.